Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create double exposure effects on CorelDRAW. So let's get started. You need two images whenever you want to create double exposure. Double exposure is like you want to blend one image inside one image. So that is it. So now you have to copy your image. So the first thing, kindly search what is double exposure on the internet before you start watching this tutorial. So here I'm trying to convert it to grayscale. You see many options, but choose grayscale. So after that, you go to bitmap. You will have to, you can see how I'm doing it. So whenever you are here, you will see it like this, but we have to drag it down because I want the image to be black completely. All the hair, all the body to be black because I'm trying to convert it to vector image. So okay. So after that, you have to convert it to vector using quick trace. You see trace bitmap, you click on quick trace. There's a lot of options there, so you can just use quick trace, but you can explore more later. Then you delete this one, the original one like this, delete it. You don't need it anymore. So now you have to click on this reimage. Now, so you right click on the image, you right click on this image, right click with your keyboard, right click on it, then choose power clip inside. So you now place it on this black one. And see now, then you edit it. You right click again, then you see edit power clip. You edit because you have to place it on each other. So you have to use your mouse, sorry, your keyboard or your mouse to adjust it like that. You can see the way I'm doing it. So you finish editing. You can see now. So you have to come to this side to just click, right click on it. Sorry, left click on it. That's all. To remove the black that is there. You can see the black around the edge. So that's what I use to remove it. So you now copy the background that you want to blend inside the image. Like I said, landscaper, street background. So if you search double exposure effect on CorelDRAW on the internet, you see samples like that. So you can just choose any image you want, go to iStockPhoto.com, or you go to Adobe Stock Photo, or you go to this popular one, Free Pick. I think now they have changed the name to Mag something. I don't remember, I can't remember the name now. So just search Free Pick on your PC. So you power clip it inside, then you edit it. Now we are seeing two images, right? We are seeing the original image and this background, but now we have to blend it inside each other. So we have to blend this background inside the image so that we can call it double exposure. Two images are exposing. You understand? That's this thing. So you edit it, then for you to achieve the exposure, you now need to use transparency tool. So you must know how to use transparency tool before you get started. Anyway, you can learn learn how to use it while you are practicing. You can see now. So you now adjust it the way you want it. So I will place it on black box so that you can see what I'm doing. So we're having two image in there, the girl image and that street image. That's skyscraper. Now you use your mouse to highlight only the image as it's there. You highlight it, then you press Control function, sorry, Shift function, page up. You can see now, can see what we are trying to achieve now. So we do the same thing to the second image. But this one, I'll be using two background. I'll be blending two background inside one image for you to understand better. So I will delete this one, then I will use this one as a practice also to teach you guys how to use. I'll be using two background now. So I'll use this congregation background, people that are worshiping. Then this other one, this second background that I have, I'll be using the two. So now we have gotten the background. So don't forget, you have to convert, you have to duplicate this image by pressing Ctrl D, or you just copy and paste it. So that you just make sure they are of the same size. So go to bitmap, convert to bitmap to grayscale. Okay. Then what other thing? Bitmap effect again, effect to adjust to tone curve to drag it down. You see something like that. You see this thing is always at the center. So you are the one to drag it down. Once you drag it down, you see that the image is getting darker. It's getting darker. See the teeth. You have to reduce it so that we are not seeing the teeth anymore. Yeah? We are not seeing the teeth. So okay, you now click on OK. Then after that, you come to trace bitmap for you to convert it to vector image. Quick trace it like that. You have to quick trace it. So it will load for some seconds. So you delete the original one, the image that we quick trace, you delete it. We don't need it anymore. So you click on this image, you now power clip inside. You can see it's just the same process with the first one. The same process. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and like this video. And if what I'm doing is somehow you don't understand, kindly reach out to me. I'm always available. Kindly reach out to me on my WhatsApp, or you can just comment down your question. I will make sure I attend to you. So this is double exposure effects in CorelDRAW. Double exposure effects. So the next thing now is to use transparency to blend it. So we have to copy the second background. So I don't want to be taking our time. So let's just use this background. The one that just use any background. You do the same thing. Don't forget, we are still inside the power clip. We are still inside the power clip. So you don't need to power clip anything again. So you have to use the transparency tool to blend it to, and see now. But their face is not showing. Their face is not showing. So I have to edit it again. Then I have to convert this image to bitmap again because I'm trying to give it another blending again. So that's why I have to convert it to. So you choose RDP, not grayscale, because I don't want black and white. That's why I don't choose grayscale, RDP. Then you click on transparency to again to blend it again. So you have to adjust everything so that their face will be showing. It won't make sense that we just cover their face. Although we are seeing this skyscraper there, I hope you guys can also see it. So that's what they call double exposure. You can see now. So let me place it on inside this black box so that you can see it. So you highlight the image. Make sure you highlight what is inside, what we are covering. Then you press Shift Function Page Up on your keyboard. So let's bring everything to the center. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.